I'm going to share with you how you can increase your keyboard size on Samsung. You can simply adjust your keyboard size in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, you will then scroll down to the very end and select this option of General Management. On this page, tap on the option of Keyboard List and Default. Then you will select this option of Samsung Keyboard. On this page, you will then have to scroll down onto the option of Font Size. To adjust to a bigger keyboard, just move this button towards your right. And to make your keyboard of a smaller size, move the button toward your left. You can get back and customize your keyboard under this page right here. That's how easy it is to change your keyboard to any size. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.